Hi, my name is Nick. I'm here to help you guys build gaming PCs. This is an old board box, but at the end of the day, I can get you the latest chipset that is available for this specific platform, the AM5. There are two types of AM5 socket available. There is the B650 and there is the B750 socket available at your discretion, depending on what you would like to order. I also do screen replacements for phones that have a replaceable screen. If you need that done, I can get it done for you with this handy dandy iFixit Pro Tech Toolkit. If you are looking to get, just CPUs, I can get you some CPUs. My current system has a AMD Ryzen 9 5950X in it. I can also get you gaming peripherals such as Logitech gaming keyboards and Razer mouse. Not only that, I can also get you ASUS PCIe dual band adapters if your board does not have an onboard wireless module like mine does. My current board in my machine is not that board, it is a completely different board. My board is a ASUS Tough Gaming X570 plus Wi-Fi. Shoutouts to ASUS, they are an absolute brilliant company. If you need a console storage upgrade, I can get you either one of the following SSDs, Intel 7 series or Samsung SSDs, no problem. These don't come at a very hefty price at all. My hardware is not for sale, obviously. If you want a brand new case, I can also get you those. That's just an old case sitting there on display. The intention is to eventually fully restore it and send it straight off to a good home. With that being said, my name is Nick, also known as the Royal Australian, aka Devine Tech Solutions, Nicholas Devine from Upwork. I'd like to take all of your jobs on board and see what I can do to help you guys out. The types of jobs I specialize in is computer servicing, such as system integration, obviously, duh. Operating system debloating. I also do Linux servicing if you guys want a Linux servicing, Linux service done. As a matter of fact, I can show you some things as well. At the same time, I can also do a lot of Windows servicing as well. Not only that, I am a rookie programmer. I cannot program large programs. As stated in my profile, please do not get me to do scripts like data recovery or anything like that. That's just not going to happen. That is unrealistic. Example, if your PC was attacked by ransomware, your best bet is an antivirus. That's it. But the thing is with ransomware is it attacks the next thing that plugs into it. So not even an antivirus will save you there. The best thing you can do is to just pay for the ransom to get your data back. That's it. And it normally costs about $543. But with that being said, don't get me to do any kind of reverse engineering like that either. I'm not programmed for that. The type of things I'm programmed for is console cleaning, computer cleaning, thermal paste replacement, GPU servicing, CPU servicing, board servicing, drive servicing. Yes, I can repair drives using simple commands, if you're looking for that as well. But, as stated, with that being said, I can't wait to show you a little bit of programming, so I'm going to pause the camera and we're going to walk into my office, or studio in this case, so that you can see me do two things. One is optimize a PC for gaming. The other is optimize a PC for programming performance, even if it's a lightweight machine like the Dell Optiplex 9020 SFF I have on the floor in my studio. So, let's go take a look. As you can see right here, you can tell that my machine is on because the keyboard and mouse are blue. That's a Cooler Master Devastator blue. That's the oldest keyboard and mouse I have. They are both 8 years old. Going on 9 years old now, because I bought them in 2016. No, that'll make them 7 years old, I'm sorry. They're going on 7 years old, if I do the math correctly. I called my computer Project Delta, because she is an old machine. Very, very old machine. Now I have to pause while I drop in my password. Never mind. I didn't have to do that at all. As you can see, I can get and download a script from the internet or a program from the internet. This here is Collab Trainer. I'm trying to remake this, if you will, into a program that gets 10 random images from the internet and simply trains the GPU on how to remaster a character from the ground up using those 10 images. If not, it may use like 1000 images, or use a compare function, a compare string function, or compare color function, and it may add in additional color, it may remove color, stuff like that. That's what I do. Small little programs like 9.7 kilobytes in size. That's 9,700 bytes in size. This particular file, and it works. Yeah, it's fine. The type of Linux service here I do is the usual sudo apt -get full -upgrade, and then sudo apt upgrade. Oops, that's just the keyboard. That's my own fault there. Let me put you on pause while I drop in my password. Sorry. There we go. This is simply asking me if I want to continue, basically. And it's doing a full update on Google Chrome and Warpinator. I don't believe it's doing anything else. Because Google Chrome gets updated on a daily basis, essentially. There we go. It's uninstalling over the previous version there. Nice. One package not to upgrade. That is the AMD driver. That the Linux distribution downloads. Every Linux distribution will download an AMD driver. In Project Delta, I have an Intel i9 4790K, which is a 4-core 8-thread 4.2 gigahertz CPU. That's nice. I also have 16 gigabytes of 1600 megahertz DDR3, which I don't know why, it's just absolutely perfect in this thing. You can still buy DDR3 brand new today. What? See, that's the kind of hardware I will get for you guys to make a budget, brilliantly performing gaming PC. And for a professional workload, the highest wattage, never mind that is a notification on my S23. That is the highest wattage part that can go into a machine when it comes to GPUs is only going to be 75 watts. And you will never go over the power supply unit in one of these old beautiful machines. These Dell machines, they're pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie. However, that's one thing. The other is what's behind me, or in this case in front of me now that I've turned around. Sorry, I've had to move you a bit. I'm going to tilt. And change camera if I can. Okay, it doesn't look like I can change camera, but I can turn the camera around. That there, ladies and gentlemen, is what you want. If you want a full setup like this, let me know in the comments below. That is Crimson 8. I named it Crimson 8 because it's gone through 8 iterations. That machine originally costed me $1,256.45. Now, that machine is worth a fortune. About $2,500 as it sits. And that's with the included peripherals. Those are 2 Hewlett-Packard M32F monitors. They don't do 75 FPS, so I'm exposing Hewlett-Packard for that at the same time because they're fucking liars. Okay, excuse my French, Upwork, sorry, but I'm just that annoyed with Hewlett-Packard, it's not funny. But still, they're really good FreeSync monitors. Very nice, they're very smooth, they're IPS, they are full high definition, and they actually are quite big. Those, I believe, are 32 inches each. Not bad. Plus, they can super res because they have DP to HDMI cables plugged in. Super sampling. .exe intensifiers. The keyboard is a Logitech G920. G906. Let me check. G910, pardon me. The G920 came out after it. And the mouse is a Razer Naga Trinity. I used to use a Razer mouse before I swapped that out with a Cooler Master Devastator Blue, and then I swapped the Cooler Master Devastator Blue to the mouse you see now. So I used to use that mouse with the Cooler Master Devastator Blue until I swapped the Devastator Blue out with the $300 keyboard you see right in front of you. And I've had that mic for a long time. So that's my DCS setup as well. There are pedals on the floor, you just can't see them. But if you guys want a PC optimized for gaming, there you go. You can see absolutely no Windows bloatware in the taskbar when there normally is. If you look at the taskbar on this monitor, there is no bloatware. You don't want any of that on the bottom of your taskbar, simply hit me up. If you see me post a job offer to do a service for you, $50 an hour, I'll get it done. It means I'll get $40 and I'll pay 20% tax, essentially. One is normal tax, the other is gross sales. I have to pay gross sales tax, and thanks to Upwork Australia, they completely comply with that law, essentially. But yep, like I said, ladies and gentlemen, please, Godspeed. If you would like to check out something that I have, please do go to facebook.com/theroyalau and order a service there from my e-commerce store or shop. Don't forget to leave a like and of course subscribe to the channel, as that will very much help the channel grow. And I'll see you guys on Upwork because I would love to help you guys out, give you guys performance boost, and of course take your orders if you're ordering gaming PCs from my store from there as well. With that being said, thank you very much, and I'll catch you next. Bye bye.